I'm going to show you one way to put this into standard form. When we put something into standard form, we're going to focus on this piece right here. So what I'm going to do with this 7, just so I don't worry about it, is move it to the other side by subtracting. So what I have right now is -7 equals 2x squared plus 20x. When I put something in standard form, this x squared has to be by itself, so I have to factor out a 2. And when I do that, I have x squared plus 10x plus something. So I have to figure out what that something is. All right, I'm going to go one more step here. I'm going to do what's called a method, I call it half and squared. I take half of this, so half of 10 is plus 5, and plus 5 squared, so 5 squared is 25. So now, to keep things consistent on both sides, what I do to one side I have to do to the other. But now the question is, how much did I add to that right side? Well, let's look at this line right here. That would give me 2x squared. That would give me 20x. That would give me plus 50. So truly I didn't add 25, I added 50, which means I need to add 50 right here. So when I do that, I have 43 equals 2x plus 5 squared. Now the last step is I want to move 43 back to this side. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract 43. And my final solution for this is f of x equals 2x plus 5 squared minus 43. And my vertex of this would be a -5, -43. Now before I start doing this and entering that into my quiz, what I highly recommend is graph this as L1, graph this as L2, and make sure they're the exact same lines. If they are not the exact same lines, and you made a small mistake somewhere in your algebra. So I'd go back and check it one more time.